Hey everybody, not much hobby progress this week. I just pretty much finished up the one Black Knight bike that I had to paint. It's just kind of, yeah, that's all I've really been doing this week. But, so my next step here is these guys right here, because these are some of my, these are pretty cool conversions. Probably some of my favorites. Of course, they do light up. I was just looking for batteries. I don't have any batteries to put in there, so I can't light them up right now, but I'll put a card or something on here for, or link in the description for the video where I have them, for their showcase video where I have them all lit up. These are just toy, they're called UFO lamps. And so there's a, when you buy them, it was chrome, there's a light in there, and then there's a bunch of fiber optic stalks that go up here that light up with the colors of the LED. So I converted them into like Ork UFOs. That's what I call them UFOs. And they're going to be deaf copters or war buggies, because as you can see, they're way too small for DACA-jets, which is their obvious use, but they're just way too small for that. They're actually too big for deaf copters or buggies too. So I was going to make a whole bunch of them, and then the size just didn't turn out, and so I just kind of left these two and just kept with these, stayed with these two. But now that we got more options for buggies, they need to be changed over so I can play them as something that's actually in the codex. And I'm thinking they're going to be Megatrack scrapjets, because I think that makes the most sense based on what's already on here and the fact that they're UFOs, and Megatrack scrapjets are crashed flyers. So just real quick here, so we got to add, and the main impetus of this was wing missiles. The wing missiles part of the scrapjet, and of course, as you can see, they already have wing missiles, so to speak. So yeah, that's where it's going to be. And they each have, so that's what I built them as. They have twin rockets and twin big shooters. That's what they came with. So I could use them as either one, depending on what I painted points for, without having to magnetize anything. So what else do they have besides the wing missiles? They have two twin big shooters, which I only have one on these. So I got one twin big shooter there, and I got rockets down there on this one. More Scorching missiles, which will probably be what everything else is made out of. This one has whatever these are. I'm not sure. I just kind of glued stuff on here. So then they have the rocket cannon, which I'll have to figure out. I might build a cannon on the front here or something, or off to the side of this one up here. Rocket cannon, I'm not sure what to do about that. I'll have to take a look at the actual model. And the last thing is a nose drill. So I'll have to do something for a nose drill. Maybe if I have any extra can drills, I can like put a can arm with the drill off to the sides. Something like that. But I think overall that's probably going to be the easiest ways to do it. I don't see any real problem with running these as the Megatrack scrapjets. I'm just going to take these bases here. Probably just put these bases directly on here and start building up the base from that. I'm not sure yet, because the problem, I can't have one peg sticking up from the base into these because there's a battery door on the bottom. As you can see, there's a battery door, so I can't just put something straight into the battery door here. That won't work. Because the batteries have to live there, so I have to kind of put the pegs around it, which I did here. I might enlarge the holes a little bit so the pegs are a little bit easier to go in there or something, and then we'll have these things. So able to slide in there, because they're a really tight fit right now. But we'll see. So that's going to be my next project here, is adapting these things over, basically just adding weapons to these to make them more appropriate to the Megatrack scrapjet. If you think I should try them with something else, one of the other models here, let me know in the comments below, but I think scrapjets is probably both the easiest and the most obvious way to go with these. So it gives me a chance to play with them again, because I've only played with them once or twice, and they're pretty interesting when they're sitting there on the table, for sure. It gives me a chance to base them up. But yeah, Megatrack scrapjets. These are going to be Ork UFOs. Any questions, let me know. And thanks for watching.